Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to make some Cinnabons, also known as cinnamon rolls. And here are some of the ingredients that we will need. 1 egg, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and 10 grams of yeast. In the first step, we're going to add our warm milk together with the sugar and salt, melted butter and the yeast. So the sugar and the warm milk helps to activate the yeast. This is quite an easy recipe. It just takes a little extra time as you will need the dough to proof for a while. We're now going to mix this until all the ingredients have dissolved together. So we're going to give it a nice gentle mix. If you have any questions, please post your questions in the comments section and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Once it's all dissolved, we're now going to add the egg and give it a nice mix. Make sure you whisk in the egg nicely. The next step is to add in the flour to the mixture. We are going to knead this for around 5 to 7 minutes with our hands. Make sure you scrape all the flour from the ends of the bowl, and you want this to be a soft, sticky mixture, but it should not stick to your fingers. We need the dough to rise, so we're going to let it proof in the dish covered in cling for 30 minutes at room temperature. Once it has been proofed, it will be super soft and ready to roll out. We're going to dust the surface with the flour and get ready to roll this. See how soft this mixture is? We're going to roll this out around 50 to 60 centimeters in length. Using a blunt knife, you want to neaten the ends so you get a nice even roll. The next step is to add butter to this. So you want to be generous with the butter. Don't skimp on the butter, otherwise you're going to get a very dry Cinnabon. Sonia has half a cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and she's going to dust it over the pastry. That looks great, Sonia. She's now getting ready to roll it gently into a log. So watch how she moves her fingers, and she's going to roll us tightly into a log. Almost there. Good job, Sonia.
Ta-da!
She cuts them into half and then smaller pieces. It's time to place the Cinnabons into a greased casserole. She will then cover this and let it proof for another 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes, you want to brush the Cinnabons with butter and put it into a preheated oven and bake for around 20 to 30 minutes until the tops are brown.
Smells so good.
While the buns are cooling, we're going to make our chocolate sauce with chocolate and fresh cream, which we're going to put in the microwave for 30 seconds and pour over these cooled down Cinnabons.
I'm going to add chocolate sauce. Let's pour all in.
We've did a chocolate sauce on this.
Now I'm going to add nuts.
Here we go. Cinnabons covered in chocolate sauce and pecan nuts. Time to taste.
Taste time. I want to taste too. Tasty. It's tasty.